Welcome to Universe Beyond. I am the guide for this infinite journey. Tonight, we delve into the unseen stories woven into the very fabric of time and space. Imagine a world with no sun. A lonely sphere of rock and ice drifts through the eternal night. It has no anchor and no home. We call these orphans rogue planets. They are the nomads of the galaxy. They sail across the dark ocean between the stars. There is no morning on these silent shores. There is only the cold glow of the distant Milky Way. Can you imagine a world where the day never begins? These planets were once part of a family. They were born in the warm dust around a young star. But the dance of gravity is a violent game. A giant neighbor pushed them too hard. They were cast out into the freezing void. Now they travel through the space between the light. They are lost in a desert of absolute zero. Their oceans are frozen into mountains of glass. Their atmospheres have fallen to the ground as snow. Everything is still and everything is silent. Are these worlds the graveyards of the cosmos? The surface of a rogue planet is a nightmare of darkness. There is no heat from a star to warm the soil. Yet deep underground the heart of the planet might still be warm. Radioactive rocks keep the core alive with a faint glow. Volcanoes might erupt into the frozen air. Perhaps there are hidden oceans of liquid water beneath the ice. In this secret darkness life could still be waiting. It would be life that has never seen a sunrise. It would be life that lives on the internal heat of the world. Is the universe more inhabited than we dare to dream? There are billions of these lonely travelers in our galaxy. They may even outnumber the stars themselves. They are the invisible majority of the universe. We cannot see them because they do not reflect the light. They are like black stones in a black room. Only when they pass in front of a distant star can we find them. They warp the starlight with their silent gravity. It is a brief flicker in the night. Then they vanish back into the shadows. The cosmos is filled with these hidden stories. A rogue planet is a witness to the deep void. It has seen the birth and death of many suns. It has crossed the great distances that separate the light. It does not belong to any empire of fire. It is a free and solitary spirit in a crowded sky. We look at our own sun and feel safe. But the rogue planet reminds us of the fragility of our home. Gravity can give and gravity can take away. We are all just one event away from the long journey. The isolation of these worlds is profound. If you stood on the surface, the stars would look like tiny needles of light. The darkness would feel like a heavy blanket. There would be no moon to reflect the sun. There would be no wind to move the air. Time would lose its meaning without the cycle of the day. It is a place of pure contemplation. It is the ultimate expression of the silence of space. Can you hear the music of the lonely sphere? Eventually a rogue planet might find a new home. It might be captured by the gravity of a passing star. It could join a new family after billions of years of travel. But most will drift forever in the dark. They will outlive the stars that gave them birth. They will be the last things moving in a cold universe. They are the ultimate survivors of the celestial storm. The darkness is not their enemy. The darkness is their kingdom. The journey of the nomad continues through the deep sector. The transmission is growing cold as the signal weakens. The orphan world is moving into the high void. The stars are closing their eyes one by one. The silence is returning to the deck. Keep your light burning bright in the night. The voyage into the unseen is far from over. The ghosts of the galaxy are watching. Wait for the next heartbeat. Thank you for watching Universe Beyond. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.